Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today, man, we're going to give an update on the new interest rates the Feds just said, and also my crypto portfolio. So we saw some gains this past week, and I'm going to get you updated on what I think the market is going to do, and me personally, what I plan on doing with my crypto assets. But before we get into that, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe. We almost at 3K subscribers, man. So I appreciate everybody for tuning in, and let's just keep it going. Even in the bear market, I know a lot of people are excited for the prices of the cryptocurrencies to continue to go up, but we truly don't know what's in store in the future just because of what's going on outside of the crypto space. So we're gonna go over that and much, much more. And also, gotta let you know, I am not a financial advisor whatsoever. So if you want a financial advisor or if you want to invest in cryptocurrencies, get a financial advisor before going too deep into the space without any knowledge, because you can lose a lot of money in this space, and it's happened a lot of times before. So you want to always know what you're getting yourself into. So let's get started, man. Crypto Tro, let's look at the current market and what it's doing. So right now I am on Coin Market Cap, and this is where you can really just see all of the cryptocurrencies right now, man. All the cryptocurrencies. CoinMarketCap is a good website, to check that out. And right now, I just want to see the top cryptocurrencies in a 7-day change. So this past week, we see Bitcoin up about 3%, ETH up about 2%. As we scroll down, a lot of things are in the green. Cardano are up 6%, Doge up 9%, Polygon up 21%. So we're doing pretty good. That's my baby Avalanche, and that's up 19% this past week. So numbers been going, numbers been doing very, very good in the crypto space, but I once get too excited so fast. So we see Bitcoin hold steady as Fed hikes interest rates again. So the Fed has raised rates by 25 basis points, meeting market expectations. So Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrency market has held steady following the Fed's announcement today that the central bank has hiked up interest rates by 25 basis points. The move, which aligned with market expectations, raises rates from 4.5% to 4.75%, the highest federal funds rate has been in decades. Fed began aggressively raising rates last year in an attempt to cool record high inflation, which has negatively impacted the value of stocks, equities, and cryptocurrencies. Then we see Bitcoin, the biggest cryptocurrency by market cap, was at the time of writing trading for $23,000, a 0.3 increase in the past hour, according to CoinGecko. Is now down 66% from its all-time high of 69,000. We saw ETH, the second biggest digital asset, was up the same amount, trading for 1,500, and is down 67% from its peak of 4,800. Both assets are up in the past week. Bitcoin nearly by 2%, ETH by 1.3%. So we see CoinShares head of research James Butterfield told Decrypt that the Federal Reserve statements today added nothing new to really move the markets. We see Federal Reserve Chairman Powell has tried to express hawkishness by stating that the job isn't done, but the markets aren't buying it. So we go down, we see the U.S. stock market, which digital assets have followed this year and last, drop, then jump following the news. At the time of writing, the S&P 500 gained about 0.2%, while the NASDAQ rose about 2% or 0.2% as well. And we see Right Line Capital co-founder John Nance told Decrypt that the big question on everyone's mind is this the bottom end for risk assets? So we truly don't know that yet. But with respect to Fed monetary policy, bottoms and tops in previous markets have come before / after the peak in rates, he said. Bitcoin has typically followed the stock market because it is a risk-on asset. This means its price can be volatile just like equities. Investors have sold risk-on assets as the Fed has upped interest rates to get 40-year high inflation under control. So a lot of things to break down right there. We know that when interest rates are high, a lot of people want to keep their money in something more stable like US dollars or gold, But in true actuality, is US dollar stable? Because if we're trying to fight inflation, we know $1, as inflation goes up, $1 buys less things. So is you holding, or if you hold your money in fiat currencies, are you truly beating inflation? And that's one of the things I like to say. Me personally, I'm trying to get rid of as many dollars as I can at the bottom of these assets, just because we know when you buy at a deeply discounted price, it's gonna appreciate very, very good. So that's based on, personal opinion. You can choose what you decide to do. Me personally, when I have extra assets or extra cash flow, I'm going to put it into these bottoms, because we know what happens, especially in the crypto space. When you buy the bottom and you just dollar cost average, it usually ends up well. So right now we are on the Exodus wallet. This is the wallet I use for my portfolio for this particular playlist. And we know right now I'm AVAX heavy, man. So I got about 9.97. I'm finna get 10 AVAX in total. And we can see my current portfolio is at 289. So I was just rounded up to 20 or 290 in total. And we can see in the past 24 hours, I am up $29 in the crypto market. And just since last time, I added some Bitcoin to the portfolio, just because Bitcoin is, the king of all cryptocurrencies. But I had to do a little back testing, because I bought my crypto on crypto.com. Actually bought like $30 worth of Bitcoin. And once I sent it to the wallet, they took $10 out for fees. So I don't know if Coinbase does the same thing or other exchanges. I'm not sure if their fee is high, but I know right now I don't plan on buying Bitcoin with the crypto.com wallet, just because they take so many fees out. They took $10 in fees, and I'm not sure about the Lightning Network and things like that, but I know when I just withdrew it, from my crypto.com app to the Exodus wallet, they took $10 out in fees. So I'm not tripping. I just know next time I might not buy Bitcoin, because really I don't hold a lot of Bitcoin. I just want to add it to the portfolio, just make it more risk averse, because we know Bitcoin is going to be pretty much, I want to say steady, still volatile, but at the same time, out of all the other cryptocurrencies, we see that Bitcoin usually rise, less or loses less once, depending on the bear market or the bull market. So that's why I bought that Bitcoin. And of course, we still have the same assets that I had before. I probably plan on buying some more new assets. Just depends on how the market is looking. I really only buy in the red though. So we want to buy at a deeply discounted price always. And we go down, we can just see these 30-day trends. Everything is on the rise, man. Everything is on the rise with these 30-day trends. So looking, pretty decent for the crypto market. But like I said, we truly don't know what's in store for us in the long run. As far as inflation, the Feds, are they going to hike the interest rates? And when are we going, kind of stop that fast inflation, the highest it's been in the past 40 years? So that's my video for today, Crypto Tro. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and to get all the videos directly to your phone, turn on them notifications. Get those notifications. We at 3K subscribers, man. 3K subscribers, and we're going to keep growing the channel, putting out good content to make you guys well aware of what's going on in the crypto space right now. So, Crypto Tro, that's my video. I'm out of here.